Hi everyone! Today I'm going to explain CELPIP Speaking Task 1. If this is your first time studying CELPIP, don't worry. I'll make everything really easy to understand. In Task 1, you'll see a short situation on the screen. It's usually just one or two sentences. For example, it might say, a friend is looking for a summer job. Advise him about different ways he can find work for the summer. So, the test gives you a short situation like that, and your job is to give advice, to share some good ideas or suggestions. It's like you're helping a friend solve a problem or make a decision. You'll have 30 seconds to prepare and then 90 seconds to speak. That's 1.5 minutes. It's really important to use all of your time. If you finish too early, like after only 50 or 60 seconds, you might lose marks because your answer is too short. So keep talking until the end, even if you just add a short closing sentence. Let's look at one more example. Imagine your friend just moved to a new city and feels a bit lonely. They ask your advice on how to meet new people. Here's one way you could answer. Hi, I totally understand how you feel. It's not easy to make new friends in a new place. First, I'd recommend joining a local club, like a cooking class or a sports team. That's a great way to meet people who like the same things. You can also try volunteering once a week. It's a nice way to meet friendly people and do something good for the community. At work, talk to coworkers during lunch or invite someone for coffee. Little by little, it becomes easier to connect with others. So don't worry too much. If you keep trying, you'll soon have good friends in your new city. See? That's what Task 1 looks like. You read a short situation, and then you give simple, helpful advice. Try to speak naturally, like you're talking to a real friend. If you want to hear more sample questions and practice answers, check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your CELPIP practice.